How to install a TV stand. It may differ between models, but generally you'll have a plastic mounting plate and a metal mounting plate, which you'll need to fasten together by aligning the holes. Be sure the metal plate is in the proper direction because it has to line up with your TV screw threads at the back. Use your hexagon nut tool and insert the hex nut inside. Then on the back side of the metal plate, insert one of the screws through the hole. You'll need to hold it steady with your finger while you fasten the hex nut on the screw thread. Since it still wiggles, next use a screwdriver to hold it steady and continue fastening the hex nut until it is tight. Do the same for the rest of the holes. Now at the back of the TV, you'll see the metal screw threads. You'll use the plastic washers, metal washers, and screws. Place the plastic washers on top of the holes so that you can then place the metal plate on top of them, aligning the holes. Then on the holes, put a metal washer down first, and then the screw. The washer helps distribute the fastener's load when you tighten it, and it also prevents the surface from sinking under the load. Do this for all the holes. Double check to make sure they're all tightened. Plastic washer helps to create a gap between the metal plate and TV display to allow airflow to dissipate the heat, or even to run some cables and wires behind the TV and the mounting plate for a more organized look. Now you can simply lift the TV display and slide it onto the mounting bracket of the stand. Turn the switch to lock it, and you're done. You've now mounted the TV to the TV stand, and you're ready to position it any way you want for your viewing comfort. If this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel and for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time.